World, and we are very proud to be here this morning. We have our members of the Northern Floriculture Association, I can see. We all are here to support.
Anyway, I'm not, there's no, I'm just saying what is the potential, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavanaka to your own. Now, this is a very successful case of how a person who was earning below poverty line income has, through hard work, determination, now runs a business, a floriculture business. With small leverage by Ministry of Agriculture, we now see a thriving floriculture business here in Northern Division. Now, we can support farmers to become entrepreneurs. We want agricultural entrepreneurs. The country needs entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are the people who will invest to create surplus. Every year they will keep on reinvesting the surplus to expand. Of course, they will save. They will also grow their own household with the business. And when the business grows, the household will grow. And along with the household, members of the community will also grow because they will be engaged in this entrepreneurial activity. Through the labor market, he employs 2 full-time labor, 4 part-time labor. Through suppliers, there will be people who will be supplying. Some may be supplying potting material. Some may be supplying some, organic fertilizer. Of course, the hardware shops will be supplying pots and potting beds. Garden soil, someone will be supplying. So all these will allow others to grow as well. So here we have a case of a very successful entrepreneur. I want to say that we are in search of entrepreneurs. We are in search of entrepreneurs, but we will give them a small leverage. I want to say that floriculture is on our books. The ministry's books we want to support. Because as the tourism sector grows, as people become more conscious about environment, clean environment, demand for floriculture products will rise, and it is rising. Northern Division tourism sector will grow, not only in Sub-Savu, etc., but here as well. We now will see a back to rural movement. We are already seeing back to rural movement, back to maritime, back to island movement. And with that, there will be a demand for aesthetic environment will rise. So we want to say that other floriculturists who are around here, we're happy to give you a $2,000 package for nursery, small nursery. The others who are willing to establish a small nursery at your home and grow that into a business, we're happy to support. We will provide you with a $2,000 package. I suggest that you work very closely with our PAO and SAO to develop a proposal quickly and give it to our Director Extension. We will vet it. We will provide you with the material, $2,000 worth of nursery material. You construct it yourself. And then from there you grow, right? So we cannot give you a much bigger amount because we want to reach out to every farmer in this country and turn them into an entrepreneur. So this will be a leverage to you. Come, work with, we will do the proposal for you. You just sit with our staff, they will help you write the proposal. We'll write the proposal for you. And then you sign it, we'll lodge it with our director, who will take it there to headquarters, work with our team there, finance, and finally submit it to the PS for its approval. and we want to get you the material as quickly as possible. So you can also have a small nursery at home, and you can also develop yourself. So, and then compete with Faizal. No. There's a lot of room for everyone to grow. See, we don't want a banyan tree model. A banyan tree model is, have you seen a banyan tree? When banyan tree grows, nothing else can grow around it. So we don't believe in that particular model. Okay. So with this word, it's my pleasure to do the commissioning of this nursery here. And then I want to thank the entrepreneur here, Fayaz, and his wife, and all those who have supported. This is what we want throughout Wanwalevu, and we need to get Wanwalevu to rise and compete with the main island and other islands. And we want people to be comfortable here. We want people to stay here. We want people to come back here. So thank you, and I look forward to commissioning of this nursery. So what's the name? Jawan's Exotic Nursery. Plants and trees.
Reena.
Naka. Okay, Mike.
No, this is local. 5 or 10 years back, somebody bought it from overseas. None in sugar. Ipo namin sa Bhara, food trees, ito na sa buhay karkana.
The indoor plants, you will have to, you can't continuously keep it indoor. If you take it out with some kind of
They started small in that side.
सब मदर प्लांट इसमें से हम फिर कटिंग करके सब करा जाए।
But कितना बेचता है छोटा ना?
5 उसको छोटा।
कितना दिन बिकते रही?
तो हम जब से लाया ये रकम से ये मिस्री में My name is Jawan, and I'm age of 43, and I'm staying in Korwiri, Labasa. I've been in this is a 5th year in this floriculture business, and before we were doing in small scale. But before I was renting, but when I bought a piece of block of mine, so I bought a land and I'm doing it at large scale now. So I was very, I can't just tell, and it's a big day for us. So it's good that the opening has done, and it's growing well every year. It will be growing well. Before it was in a small scale, now it's in big scale. So it's growing every month by month. It's growing. It's all local market. It's market over here. We're taking Susabu. Sometimes we take it to West. Last year, I received a grant of 20 grand from Ministry of Agriculture, so they funded me to build up this big nursery. So from there I've picked and I'm still going ahead now.
It's a refreshment as well. Sucen.
Also mix a grog as well.
Păi asta.
Labasa grog. Labasa grog.